Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix eFootball 2024 not compatible with your device. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open settings of your smartphone. So once you open settings, you simply need to go into the app management and click on app list, and here you need to search for the Play Store. Click on that, and the first step you need to clear storage and cache. Once you done that, you simply need to allow all permissions. Once you complete that step, you simply need to go back and in your smartphone settings, you simply need to scroll down and click on system. And if you have any update, click on system update, and you need to online update that as well. So here you can see that my system is up to date, and after that you need to restart your smartphone and open Play Store and search for eFootball 2024. So click on that, and now you can see that I have an option to install this. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.